Champions aren't made through education. They are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. In this sunny and cheerful afternoon, here is with us today our distinguished chief guest, Professor Dr. K. Shanti, ma'am, a doctorate in 1998 from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. She completed her PG and UG in chemistry from University of Madras. She started her career in 1991 as assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, Anna University, Chennai. She has a versatile knowledge as a professor in chemistry with 22 years of experience in teaching and research. Our chief guest has been a driving force behind Anna University for many years. She is a one and only syndicate member of Anna University, representing around 500 colleges affiliated to Anna University. She is a deputy chairman in Anna University Sports Board, member of Board of Studies for Anna University Chennai and Coimbatore Institute of Technology, and also a chairperson in Faculty of Science and Humanities. She is also an active researcher with many awards for her research. She has 25 years of research experience in the field of catalysis with more than 50 research publications in well-reputed international and national journals with average H-index of 12.6. She has collaborations with many research scientists in various institutions in India and abroad. She has participated and presented her research work in many international and national conferences. She is a reviewer of several international scientific journals. With all these lengthy list of accomplishments and achievements, she is an examiner for PhD thesis evaluation for various institutions. She has guided 11 PhD scholars so far and 12 scholars are enrolled, more than 30 to 35 PG students and 6 MPhil scholars including the persons on roll. Now, as a Deputy Chairman of Anna University Board, administering all the activities related to Anna University Sports Board, coordinating with all the members of the board in organizing zonal, interzonal tournaments. She is an acting observer in the interzonal in the selection trial process. Now, I invite our indispensable chief guest, Professor Dr. K. Shanti ma'am, to deliver the Sports Day's address.
Distinguished Principal of Sai Ram Institute of Technology, Dr. K. Palanikumar, Distinguished Principal, Dr. J. Kumar, Sai Ram Engineering College, Senior and Learned Professor, Dr. S. Sitaraman, Sai Ram Group of Institutions, my dear faculty friends, enthusiastic, young and sportive students of Sai Ram Institute of Technology, I am really excited to see the big group of students with a lot of enthusiasm in the faces. I am really honored to be here as chief guest for this today's Sports Day function. I should thank the alma mater for making me stand in front of you. I have not seen, even in my own campus, such a disciplined set of students. So I really feel proud and very happy to stand before you. In fact, I really admire the achievements made by this institute. I heard from our speakers that there are many sports persons in this institute, and there are many enthusiastic students who are waiting to get their medals and trophies. It's really an achievement for the winners, and for the runners it's going to be the achievement for their future. So I am really happy to note that Sai Ram Institute of Technology, under the able guidance of the founder and chairman, that it is running very well and able to produce many engineers with a lot of placement. I could understand from the principal that the placement is not all a problem here, because that is what we are speaking about in developing all the colleges coming under the banner of Anna University. When I heard that there is nothing, no such problem happening here, I am really very happy about it. So that means the support given by the institute, given by the chairman, is really enormous, I feel. So whatever I wanted to talk to you, tell you about it, I think they are all in yourself. It's all in yourself. So that shows that growth of this institution, tremendous growth about it. So however, I would like to just stress upon few the points. Like when they introduced me, they said a big the read of my CV, long CV, and they had told about all my achievements. So I humbly put it in front of you that all these come just by mere hard work, without any expectation. Keep doing things, and keep doing the best things, what you can offer. It will automatically come to you. There is no doubt about it. So you being the sports persons, I think your mind is well seasoned. So that is what we expect from a sports person. So we should live with a never give up attitude. So attitude, first hard work comes, then attitude, never give up. Failure is stepping stone for the success. Don't give up. You are capable of doing. You are second to none. So this sports, to my knowledge, from my experience, I understand. It gives number one, the digit number one. It takes up the position of number one. So with the good health in ourselves and rest of it zero. So the value goes up somewhere. Even the others don't have any value. Health being the number one digit, it takes you so high in the sky. Next level is the honesty. So these good characters will definitely make you to reach the high in the competitive environment. Where there is a rapidly growing demand for higher education. So as in sports, you would have had a lot of hurdles. You would have even got hurt. So blood washes off. Your bruises go away. Bones heal off. Scars disappear. Pain is temporary. But what you get at the end, waiting for that, is victory. So definitely hard work pays way. Please have patience to undergo everything. But all these are temporary, which will just vanish, and only the victory will last forever. Then one another thing, being very smart children, we always tend to dream nice things. Don't stop dreaming. Have a goal in yourself. Dream for something. You think that you are going to be the Prime Minister of India, President of India. Keep dreaming about becoming the Prime Minister or President. You will achieve your dream. Whatever be the dream, let it not be Prime Minister or President of India. Whatever be your dream, please keep dreaming. Dream will definitely take you to the path. That is what I am standing here. Even though I was very quiet, Dr. Mr. Ramaraj knows me for the past 10 years. I have been a quiet person in Anna University. Suddenly one fine day I am focused like this. So that is because being patient, and of course with all this the number one digit and zero everything, so makes you shine in the society. Then another small advice is, Don't take it as a risk because you're all very, very good in all those things. So you make others happy in the environment in which you are. Even if you are not happy, you should try to make others happy. That creates a sort of good environment among yourself and makes you feel that you are able to do something, contribute something to the environment. And you will face lot of obstacles in your life. So all obstacles you have to cross. So any obstacle that you cross is going to be an opportunity to improve yourself. So one small story I want to put it for their young minds. In ancient days, there was a king who just wanted to know how people are, how people criticize about his kingdom. He kept a big rock in the middle of the road and he was just watching from far away to see what is the feel about the people. And some people just walked off, not bothering about it. They just crossed over and walked. Some of them were making criticize. They were criticizing loudly, saying that what is this king not able to do, not able to keep even the roads clean. So such criticisms were there and they were just passing by. And one peasant came with a big load of some vegetables or something. He was just thinking what to do. He was not able to walk freely, but he was carrying a big load. He silently went, kept the load down, and then he tried to push on his own that big rock. And at the end he achieved, he could push it. Then when he was trying to carry the load of vegetables, he found a purse there. And then he picked up and to see what it was. It was written there, it is for the a person who picks up the load and the rock and then puts it aside. It was containing full of gold coins. So that was the reward he got it for the that amount of work he did. So that is how we should also be looking at we should not make any complaint or grudge or about any system or anything. So what we can do, what we can contribute to our society, we should do that. So that way you will all be very flourishing. So when you go out with completeness in yourself, you try to do more than what you have been doing. Think more than what you have ever thought before. Be better than ever been before. Be persistent and reliable in pursuit of excellence. Make a difference in work. So winning means you are willing to go longer and work harder and give more than anyone else. My dear students, don't practice until you get it right. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. So that is how you should practice. So my dear students, your experience in sports is also applicable to real life situation. It helps you to face victory and defeat calmly and boldly. So I sincerely appreciate the efforts and involvement of the students who has participated in this event. It is for you this event has been organized. This event is not only a means for you to demonstrate your skills in sports, but also a means to experience the power of competition and gracefulness of sportsmanship as you grow in various aspects of your life. So all the faculty members, my dear faculty members, I advise you to make it a regular habit to do some physical exercise apart from your routine academic work every day to at least for an hour to keep yourself healthy and active. So I congratulate the winners and the runners of this sports day. Those who are last, please don't get worried. Next year we will see you here with receiving medals and trophies. So with these few words, I would like to conclude by wishing the winners and participants all success in this endeavor and congratulations. With that, I have to say thanks a lot for having me here. Good luck to you all. So may good luck be your friend in whatever you do, and may trouble be your stranger always. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring and motivating us through your wonderful words. Now I request all the prize winners to be ready to come forward and collect the prizes. The girls are requested to come through their right and collect the prizes and leave through the left, and the boys are requested to come through their left and leave through the right. It was once quoted by Michael Jordan that talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. Now I request our chief guest, Professor Dr. K. Shanti ma'am, to distribute the prizes to the achievers. First, the prizes for the team events women will be given. The team leaders and all the team members are requested to come to the stage and collect the prizes. The throw ball, the runners-up are from the EC department. And the winners-up are from SNH department. And for the volleyball, the runners-up are from the ECE department. I'm sorry, from the EEE department. And the volleyball winners are from SNH department. The badminton runners-up are SNH department. And the ball badminton winners are from the ECE department. All the prize winners are requested to rush up to the stage. And the chess, the runners-up are from the IT department. And the winners are from the ECE department. The table tennis runners-up are from the SNH department. Followed by the winners from the CSE department. The carom runners-up are from the ECE department. The table tennis winners from the CSE department. The carom runners-up are from the EC department, followed by the winners from the Triple department. The basketball runners-up are from the CSE department, followed by the winners from the ECE department. Next, the prize for the team events men will be given. The basketball runners-up are from the CSE department, followed by the winners from the mechanical department. Basketball runners from the CSE department.